In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Canva frame. We'll walk through two simple ways: designing your own frame shape from scratch, and converting an image into a reusable frame, all inside Canva's Apps section. First, open Canva and start a new design so you've got a blank canvas to work on. Look over to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps extra tools that extend what you can do on the canvas. In the search bar, type Frame Creator or Frame Maker, then add the app. Once it's loaded, you'll see tools designed specifically for building frame shapes. Use the app's drawing and shape tools to create the outline you have in mind. Think of it like sketching a container that your photos or videos will snap into. You can keep it simple with clean geometric lines, or go more organic with curves and free-form paths. Take your time refining the edges and proportions so the final frame feels balanced and intentional. When you're happy with the shape, save it. The moment you save, that custom shape becomes a reusable frame in your design, meaning you can drop images or videos into it just like any other Canva frame. This is great for keeping a consistent style across multiple pages or projects without rebuilding the shape every time. Now, let's look at using an image as a frame. Start by selecting the image you want to convert into a frame. With your design open, head back to the Apps section and open FrameSpark. Inside FrameSpark, choose the same photo so the app can analyze its edges. You'll see a control for edge detection. Reducing edge detection simplifies how many details the app tries to trace, which helps create a clean, usable frame instead of a jagged outline. Dial it down until the silhouette looks smooth and coherent. When it looks right, click Convert to Frame. The new frame will appear in your design, ready to be used just like any standard Canva frame. You can place other photos or graphics inside it, and because it's created from your image, it will have a distinctive, custom look that matches your brand or concept. That's it. Thanks for watching.